Hello, my name is Leah England, and I'm this year's announcer for the Boyle County FFA pedal tractor race. What are you guys thinking about right now?
I'm thinking that the last time I drove a tractor, I ran into the brand new fence, and even though I grew up on the farm, Daddy told me not to drive the tractor anymore, so I'm thinking epic fail is what I'm thinking.
No, you're not. You're going to win. Don't worry
What about you, Miss Stephanie?
I'm thinking that people are going to videotape this and put it on YouTube and laugh at me, and I will regret my decision to do the pedal tractor race.
All right, Miss Oliveria?
I'm wondering if we're going to get it done before class is dismissed and we have the whole student body in the lobby.
I know. I'm a last-minute fill-in for Miss Wade, so pressure's on. No time to practice. They've been practicing. Don't let them fool you.
On your mark, get set, let's go! Go!
Uh-oh.
It feels great to be a winner. It's the Boyle County way.
Play to win.